The final topic that we're going to cover in this section is called a complement of a set. So we're going to begin with the definition. The complement contains those elements that are not in the original set. And the complement is normally denoted by using the letter of the set. So that might change. It might be B or C or D or A. And then this apostrophe. And that apostrophe is the symbol that we use for the complement. All right, so we're going to go ahead and look at a couple of examples, keeping in mind that the complement contains elements that are not in the original set. All right, so we're going to begin with a universal set that contains all the numbers, the natural numbers from 1 to 20. And then for part 1, they're going to tell us that set E basically has the even numbers. And they're asking me to find the complement. All right, so the easiest way to do the complement is to do a comparison between your set and the original set. So set E, for example, contains the element 2. So I'm going to go to my universal set and I'm going to mark 2 off. My set E contains the element 4. So I'm going to mark off 4. And I'm going to continue doing that until I've marked off everything that is in set E. So I'm going to mark off 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. The numbers that I have not marked off are the numbers that form the complement. So that's going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So again, the complement is made up of the numbers that are not in E. All right, so let's try this again. So let's say for the second part that our set A has the elements from 7 to 18. And we want to find the complement. So again, I'm going to go to my universal set and I'm going to mark off what's in A. So A contains 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. The elements that are not marked off are going to make up the complement. So the complement is going to have the numbers 1 through 6. And then it's also going to have the numbers 19 and 20. Okay, one more time. So we have this set B, which has the numbers, and I'm going to mark them off as I go. It has the numbers 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and 19. And I want to write down B complement. So I want to write down everything that's now not marked off. So that's going to be 2 and 3, 5 and 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, and 18, and 20. So again, your complement is what is not in your original set. Okay, our last example says, we'll do something with letters this time. It says, let U represent the letters in the words Albany State University. And we want to talk about finding the different complements. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this out, just space it out a little bit so that we can really work with it. Okay, now remember that when we have a set, we don't have any duplications in the set. All right, so before I can really say that this is my universal set, what I need to do is I need to go in and take out anything that's there twice. So I have two A's. Actually, I have a lot of A's. Okay. I have duplicate T's. So I'm going to take out the T's that are there more than once. I have a duplicate E right there. I have duplicate N's. I have duplicate Y's. I have duplicate S's. I have double I's right here, so I'm going to take out one of those I's. Okay, so now I think I have a list. If I haven't missed anything, I have a list of all the letters that are in Albany State University with no duplications. All right, so let's work on our problem. It says that set A is going to have the letters ASU, and we want to find A complement. So I'm going to come to my universal set, and I'm going to cross off the A, the S, and the U. And A complement is going to be everything that is not crossed off. So that's going to be the L, the B, the N, the Y, the T, the E, the I, the V, and the R. So that will be the complement of set A if A is ASU. All right, I'm going to put my set back to the way it was, and we'll look at the second part. All right, second part says that our set B has the letters, and I'm going to cross them off as we go. B, L, N, R, S, T, V, and Y. And now we want to write down B complement. So we write down the letters that are not crossed off. So that will be the A, that will be the E, the U, and the I. And so now we have B complement. All right, and then finally, we have a set C that represents the letters in the word saltine, and we want to find C complement. So again, let me go ahead. I'm just going to rewrite my universal set up here so that we can use it. All right, so now we have our universal set, and we have a subset that has the letters in the word saltine. So again, I'm going to cross them off as I go. So saltine starts with the S. The next letter is A. Then we have L, T, I, N, E. And our complement then would be anything that's left. So our complement is going to have the letter B, and Y, and U, V, and R. And so those 5 letters would make up the complement of set C.